Stop solo programming. Imagine you are working in a agile feature team which has dependency with other teams. What steps do you take to execute your task? Do you start coding right away and face challenges as they come? Or do you spend some time planning and understanding the requirement, talk to the dependent team about your changes, get feedback, and then start coding? If you like to start coding right away, then most likely you have a habit of solo programming. No matter how hard you try, you will always be overwhelmed and less productive. How can you overcome solo programming habits? Should not Agile promote teamwork? Does it depend on the person or the work environment? Let's find out. Agile is the ultimate solution. In the world of Agile, it's not just about following a set of rules, it's about embarking a culture of teamwork and adaptability. Attending Agile ceremony is just tip of the iceberg. The real magic happens when programmers are not only willing to collaborate but also open to change. A Stanford study found that those who work in a collaborative rather than individual setting are 50% more effective at completing tasks, boosting their intrinsic motivation and helping them becoming more engaged. But here is the twist. If programmers lean too heavily on working in isolation, the agile approach might not deliver the full potential. On the flip side, an over-enthusiastic pursuit of collaboration without giving enough room for focused work can lead to substandard code and reduced productivity. To add an extra layer of difficulty, the post-COVID era with its work from home trend has added fuel to this challenge. Striking the right balance is the key. Impact of working from home. Working from home is awesome. I love it. You can save so much time and energy by avoiding hassles of traffic and public transport. You can also enjoy more flexibility and freedom to manage your personal and professional life. But working from home is not without its challenges. A study of over 61,000 Microsoft employees found that working from home caused workers to become more siloed in how they communicate, engage in fewer real time conversations, and spend fewer hours in meetings. In contrast, a Harvard Business Review analysis entitled Collaboration Overload is Shrinking Productivity, revealing that time spent in email, instant messaging, phones, and video calls has risen 50% or more over the past decade to consume 85% or more of most people's work week. You may wonder if there is a way to overcome this problem at the individual level. How can we balance collaboration and focused work without sacrificing either? One possible solution is to adopt the hub and spoke model. As explained by Carl Newport in his book Deep Work, he says the key is to maintain both hub and spoke style of arrangement. Expose yourself to ideas in hubs on regular basis, but manage a spoke in which to work deeply on what you encounter. What does this mean? It means that you have two kind of work models. The hub model where you connect with your coworker and exchange information, and the spoke model where you concentrate on your individual tasks and produce high quality work. How can you apply the hub and spoke model to your work? Free up your calendar for hub time. This is when you attend online meetings, chat with your coworker, and share ideas. Make sure you have the clear purpose for each session and avoid doing multitasking. Be interested, ask questions, and be open to new ideas. Freeing your calendar allows others to plan meetings in your free block. This way, less likely they will schedule on your focus time. Schedule your spoke time and protect it fiercely. This is when you focus on your deep work, such as coding and designing. Avoid looking at your email, phone, or social media during this time. Shield your time block from interruptions and distractions. Don't be too strict with your blocks. If someone needs some time from your focus time, move your focus block to accommodate. You might not get the optimal productive time for that work, but you can still manage it once in a while. So, how much time should you spend in the hub and spoke? Well, that depends on your role and responsibility. For example, if you are a junior software engineer, you might need more time in the spoke to learn new skills and finish your task. But if you are a senior or lead engineer, you might need more time in the hub to guide others and coordinate the team's work. The important thing is to find the right balance for you and communicate it clearly with your manager and teammates. Let me show you how I use this method in my own work. As a team leader, I have 2 hours of deep work every day to think creatively, make decisions, plan, tackle complex coding tasks, and learn new things. If you check my calendar, you will notice 2 1 hour block of time marked as focus time and learning time. The rest of the time is for teamwork. For me, it's 25% in spoke and 75% in hub. Of course, this is not a rigid rule, but a flexible guideline to manage my time blocks. It can vary depending on the project's need. This is a helpful way to follow in normal situations. If you are too strict, you might resist ad hoc requests and create unnecessary stress. The hub and spoke model is a compelling framework that offers a balanced approach to your work life. By diligently managing your hub and spoke time, you can unlock your potential for creativity, productivity, and collaboration. Remember, there is no one size fit for all solution, and it's essential to adapt this model to your unique role and responsibility for achieving high quality results. Delve deeper into the significance of deep work. Click on the card to watch the next video. I look forward to see you there.